Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 317 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Gentle Focus, a practice to quiet the mind and steady your attention. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your gaze rest on one spot, or if your eyes are closed, focus on the space just behind your forehead. There's no need to strain, just allow awareness to gather. Thoughts may drift in and out, and that's okay. Each time they do, bring your attention back gently. Now, say to yourself, my attention is soft and steady. I am present with ease, and I can focus without force. Let the quiet deepen. Notice how focus, when softened, becomes calm awareness. You are here, clear, centered, and peaceful. When you are ready, take one last deep breath and carry this gentle focus into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.